guys, it's BigFunWorld. Check out this painting. Look, isn't that beautiful? I'm going to take you back when Jocelyn did it. Let's take a look.
Maybe a pet roof, like a chimney.
What is it?
It's a pet house. The chimney is gonna be like this. The chimney. That's the chimney. I'm testing out the colors. Maybe you wanna use some white colors. Yeah, maybe. Why are you and that was my favorite color. I did. I'm going to use red. This one? Yeah. You start and feed them. You need more paint. No, we don't. That's the yellow. Are you finished? No. Well, it's gonna take for the owl. Finish this. I gotta finish this.
I like the blue. I think the cats are going to like that.
Our cats.
Our cats.
A basement. Liking it?
Yeah, I'm liking it.
This is the ultimate.
Are you sure this is the first time you've painted?
This is not the first time I have painted. I think I painted at school one time.
Yeah, well, you painted at school, but it's the first time we painted since you got the art easel.
Yeah. You're right.
All right, so that's the basement?
Yeah.
Okay.
This is just the blue. And some cats can go right here on the pool.
You might want to draw a picture of a cat on there, right?
Oh, the cats are not home. School. Huh?
They went to cat school?
No, the school.
Oh, the store.
I accidentally got some black ink.
Okay.
I did not do it on the art.
I think it's okay.
No.
I don't think he's finished.
I'll never be finished. It's gonna take all night. What is that? This is the ultimate cat house. Ultimate.
Is that a door that goes outside?
Oh. This is the elevator. An elevator. Right here's the window. The whole side is the window. Get some. This is well, you push it up. Like it, Mom?
Yeah, I love it.
Are you finished now? No! Gold taps white pink. And this goes
Slow down.
all the way to the top.
What is that? That's all right. What is that?
This is the ultimate.
You might need some more paint, babe.
More pants. More pants. Little black boots. Good night.
I still think you should add some cats. Because where are you hanging this?
My bedroom.
It's a good place.
We'll light it.
Yeah, pretty quick.
Mama, will you do the cats everywhere on this?
Why don't you just pick a color? Like, did you have orange cats? Or gray cats?
How about a cream color?
Maybe just a little brown and white. Make a cream. You do that?
Or how about... Mom, will you do the cat? I'll hold the camera.
Stop right there, because that's a good looking cat. You want to give it a tail? Just give it a tail before you mix the blue. What about some ears? Carefully, carefully. That's not bad. That's not bad. Let's say our colors. Black, brown, light blue, yellow, white, blue, orange, green, red. Okay, don't put that on the cat though.
I'm not.
Okay, just checking.
This is the secret compartment.
Okay,
No people can go.
only cats.
Yeah. No people can go in this house.
Because it's a cat house.
Well, they have to feed it.
Yeah.
Are you finished? All the other cats are invisible. Yep, I'm finished.
All right.
Yeah.
Well, that's beautiful. We'll hang that in your room.
Magnificent.
Good job, buddy.
Can you see through it, Mom?
Just don't drop it.
Can you see through it?
Yeah.
No, you can't.
All right, so now Sissy's going to do us a painting. Sissy, what are you going to paint?
I don't know. I think I'm just gonna make like a rainbow kind of stuff.
That sounds good.
Well,
Like
mine
use
is
some
mi-
of Brother's
just
paint.
Mix the colors together.
Okay.
Oh. Okay.
All right.
But I
Zane,
do need
you better get
purple.
your painting back.
What?
What do you need?
I do need purple.
Okay. I'm going to give you the paint.
I think I put
There's the
purple.
paintbrush, too.
Can you hold the paintbrush?
Yes.
I think I dropped purple in there.
You take the lid. It's got a sharp end. Look at the lid in your left hand. Other side. Flip the lid around. See that sharp thing? Poke it in there.
That makes sense.
Yeah. There you go. That's it.
Mom, what can I put my painting? Well, I mean, not better than Bulls, just better than anything but artists in the world.
You're going to be a fine artist, Zane.
Wait, you're not even gonna write your name.
Maybe she wants to write her name at the end.
Maybe at the back?
Maybe.
Oh. Love you, Mom.
Love you. Is it your version of Starry Night?
Yeah.
Oh. Very creative.
Well, I'm gonna make it into like our house right here. And this is the sky. don't think you should do it all the way down. Because it might get on the easel. I'm on to a new thing.
Are those lightning bugs?
Mm-hmm.
Really? Good detail.
What is?
Sissy's putting lightning bugs on her painting. Hey guys, so you did good with your painting today. They look great.
Which one do you like the best?
I would have to say that I like both of them.
No, I'm talking to Liam.
Oh, okay.
You like my ultimate hat house, that little black not dry Zane's or Jocelyn?
And Jocelyn, what was yours of? His was the ultimate cat house, and yours is?
My version of Starry Night.
Perfect.
Yeah, it was like Starry Night.
Starry.
Starry.
He's saying it. Well, thank you for painting for us today.
Sounds like Starry Night. Starry.
No.
Oh, Starry.
Good job, guys. Tell everybody bye.
Bye.
Say see you next time.
See you next time. Peace. Subscribe to our channel. Zane's BigFunWorld. Yeah. And hit the thumbs up button. I don't know
ring the
how
bell.
much subscribers we have.
And hit the bell so you know when a new video comes out.